Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechLog. So today in this video I'll show you how to enable or disable slow mode on Telegram. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Telegram app. Make sure you have already downloaded Telegram app on your device. Now go to the group and here tap on profile icon. Now click on edit. Next, go to the permissions. Here you can see slow mode. Now bring the bar to the off. It will disable slow mode on your Telegram. Now if you want to enable it, then bring the bar to 10 second, 30 second, whichever you prefer. So in this way you can enable or disable slow mode on Telegram. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.